Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And there's so much information on the internet, but it's hard to find. There's good information that you just never know about. Well, I try to. Whoa, it's storming today. Whew, man, sorry about that. Little lightning scared the heck out of me. So I try to, when I find some useful information about radios and shortwave listening and stuff like that, I try to pass it on to you. And here's one of them. I received a email from one of my users group, and the gentleman was asking about SDRs and how to get started with SDRs and stuff like that. And this gentleman right here, there he is right there, he says, I've got information on my blog website that might be able to help you out. So I thought, well, maybe he's got some information to help me out and my subscribers. Well, here it is. It's called Arctic DX. I've never heard of this. And he's had this blog for quite a while, and I've never heard of it. And I passed emails back and forth this afternoon to find out a little more about him and what the blog was about. And he says that he normally does post about DX, and then occasionally, and he's saying more often, more regularly recently, hardware. And I said, that's what I'm looking for, information about hardware. So I started looking through his blogs, and he's got a ton of them, ton of entries. Matter of fact, if you come down here, here's a list of some of them, and you can see he's got information about the SDR Play 1A. Let's see what else. He got information about Kiwi SDR, Net SDR, the Perseus SDR, the ICOM ICR 1500. I have one of those. The ICOM IC 7000. You know, it goes on, and this is not all of them by any means. This is just some of the articles he's written. And he even has a radio on the internet. Right here, you can click on that. Let's just try it. Connect to the Kong SDR. Let's do that. And you'll recognize what it is. It's a radio on the Kiwi SDR network.
И одна переспросила, это у вас по сценарию так положено говорить? Я говорю, да нет, это я про себя. Они-то окружили меня, я говорю, а можно...
Not sure what that is, but that's a station that was last tuned to. And he's in Norway, I believe. And like here's the article. This was December 2017. So this is a pretty old article. And this is the one the gentleman was referring to, or he was referring to the person that was asking questions about, for instance, SDR Play. And he's got lots of information here, a lot of pictures. And then here's another entry. Here's another entry. Let's go. And then here, look at this. He's had this going since 2006, and I never heard about him. I never heard about him. But it's like finding a little gem when you're, going camping or something like that, or metal detecting. That's what I was trying to think of. When you go metal detecting, it's like finding a little gem. So he's got each one of these. Like in 2007, he posted 146 times, and recently in November of this year, no, that's 2017. Oh, here's 2017. In all of 2017, he's done 144 posts. You're bound to find information that you've been looking for on this website. Now, I did not see, and I should have asked him, I did not see a way of searching his post. There it is, right there. Okay, let's see. Let's search on RTL-SDR. See what happens here. So I should be searching his entire blog, and there's none. Gee, why did I pick a subject that there's none? Okay, well, I'll cheat, and I'll see what, like here's the ICOM IC7000. Let me cheat and search for IC-7000. Make sure this works. Okay, you better find some. And there it is. So there's an article he wrote, very detailed article he wrote about this radio. Lots of information. So you're bound to find something. Oh, there's a couple articles. Look at that. There's tons of articles on this thing. Wow. Man, it goes on and on and on. Too cool. Too cool. I'm trying to think. I thought let's just try. Why didn't I think of this? SDR. SDR. And it doesn't say the number it found. But let's just kind of glance through it. See how many posts. Look at all these pictures. He gives all kinds of nice illustrations. This goes on and on and on. So as he's posted back to the gentleman that was asking about SDRs, he's got a ton of information about SDRs. So check out his blog. It's do a search. Let me get back. I'm trying to get back to the top, and I will put the link in the description below this video. Search for Arctic Space DX, and you'll probably find it. Or I'll put the link in the description below this video. Boy, I'm really struggling today. I don't know if it's because of the storm, it's kind of scaring me, or what. I was just, getting set up, and then all of a sudden, after I got set up, which takes me 20 minutes, a storm rolls in. So I need to shut down here and turn off some of these computers. I've got all my antennas disconnected, so I should be okay there. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye. And thanks to this gentleman for providing this blog. Great. If you know of some blogs that I haven't mentioned that you think would be of interest to the other subscribers and viewers, let me know, and I'll check it out. Bye-bye.